Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Tuesday, and the date is 2nd of February 2021. Okay, dear students, we'll take the unit review, and then we will start with our lesson. Please open to page 283 together. 283. Okay? Very good. All right, will you all open the camera, please? I need to see you.
Okay, miss. Oh, sorry.
Okay, very good. Let's start with number 1. Please raise your hand. Let me see. I want you to read and answer, please. Number 1. Who's ready to do number 1? Okay, Lara Justania.
Part of soil is a rich mixture of decomposing plants and animals.
So, you have the words conservation, humus, nutrients, pollution, and soil. Which one of them is rich of decomposing plants and animals? This soil, pollution, nutrients, humus, or conservation?
What, miss? I can help.
The question is, it is a part of soil with a rich mixture of decomposing plants and animals. Which of these words are rich of decomposing plants and animals?
Nutrients?
You are close.
I know it. Can I say it? It's
Yes, ya Fatima.
humus. Humus.
Humus, excellent. It is humus.
Because I said because animals. We said animals, so it's humus.
Not because of we said animals, because it's
I did.
decomposing plants and animals. It is the remains of plants and animals. This is humus. Okay? Very good. Number 2. Let's okay, yeah. Maria.
Turning off light and recycling. Explain off.
Part of what?
Turning off lights and recycling are explained of pollution.
Really, when you turn off light and you use the resources wisely and be careful, you are making pollution?
Nutrients.
No. Nutrients are related to soil. Conservation, excellent. So conservation is when you use something wisely. Conservation. You use something wisely or you use it very carefully. You are turning off the light and you are recycling. Why? To conserve the resources. Okay, Lara, Ghaith, number 3.
Is it nutrients?
Why? It's a mixture
Soil.
of minerals, air, water, and humus. All these, where can you find them?
Pollution.
Are they polluting something? Minerals, air, water, and humus?
Soil.
Soil, excellent. Yes,
Miss, I said
soil.
soil من أول. You was saying.
No, I heard you. I heard you. I wanted you to say it again. I didn't say it's wrong at all.
Ah.
Yes.
Can I do the other one?
Number 4. Okay, yes, يا لارا Justinian. You want to say number 4?
Yeah.
Qamar, you will do number 5, يا قمر.
Okay. The land is
Garbage on the land and chemicals in the air are types of...
nutrients.
Really?
No, pollution.
Pollution. I think you're not up yet, guys. Maybe you're still sleepy. Okay, Qamar, number 5.
Okay. To grow plants need water, light, and
What do they need from the soil? What can you find?
What? Miss Beige, what?
Wasaif, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, dear Wasaif, it's here. Can you read this number?
Miss? We'll go bring nutrients.
Excellent, excellent, ya Qamar. So to grow, plants need water, light, and nutrients. Nutrients will help plants to grow. Where can they find nutrients? In the soil. And who provide the soil with nutrients? All right. Finish?
Yes, we done.
Very good. All right, let's start with our new lesson. Today we're going to talk about the most important resource on Earth. What is the most important resource on Earth? Something you cannot live without.
Water.
Of course, water. We cannot live without water at all. So today we're going to start with Unit 7. We're going to talk about water. And what's important about water? Do you know what? The water cycle. How can we get water? From where? Can you tell me?
River.
Excellent. From river, from sea.
From a lake.
Lake. Very good. Pond. No, really, we don't drink water from a pond. Rain. Do we drink water from the rain? Do people use rainwater and clean up, and then they will we will drink it, or we will use it? Very good. So today we're going to talk about what is the water cycle, how we are having water around us. Okay, let's see. What do we have? So, beach water, what do we call it? Is it salty or fresh?
Salty.
Salt water, excellent. What about the river and lake?
Fish.
They are fresh water. So first of all, first thing to know, or first thing to learn, that there are 2 types of water moving around us, and we can find them naturally: salt water and fresh water. Definitely, you know, salt water that contains salt. Of course, it's too salty for us to drink. However, many life forms live in salt water. Who lives in salt water? Wasaif. Let me ask
Fish, sharks.
Let me ask Wasaif. Who lives in salt water?
The fish and the sharks and the whales.
Whales, very good, very good. What about fresh water? Fresh water has a very little salt in it, but we need fresh water to drink, and many plants and animals need fresh water too. Do you know some animal that lives in a fresh water? Hi, Lara Ghaith. I see you raising your hand.
There is like tiny animals who live, but that's a lot.
Okay, there is a lot living in fresh water, but there is something special. You know the salmon fish?
Yeah.
The salmon fish lives in a fresh water. It doesn't live in salty water. It needs fresh water to live in. This is something special you should know. Okay, now let's take a look at the ocean water over here. Water is needed for life. About 3/4 of Earth is covered by water. Most of the water is in the ocean. So most of our Earth is covered by what? Water. Excellent, excellent. And most of it is ocean or lakes?
Lakes.
Is it ocean or lake? Most of the earth water?
Sea.
Ocean. Excellent. Ocean. Very good. Not lakes. Okay. We have many types of water and many forms of water you can find. For example, iceberg in an ocean. See iceberg? This iceberg are made of fresh water. Most of Earth's fresh water is frozen in glaciers at the South Pole. That's why it's important to conserve fresh water that's not frozen.
My favorite watch is the lake.
Yes. Then waterfall and lakes. All of these are what? Fresh or salt?
Fresh.
Fresh water. So when I ask you iceberg in an ocean, is it fresh water or salt? Icebergs. Fresh, excellent. Also waterfalls, they are fresh water. Can you read for me, yeah? Rima, fresh water, the waterfall. Okay, Fatima.
Fresh water flowers in this waterfall. Much of Earth is fresh. Water is above ground, but some fresh water is underground.
Excellent, very good, very good. Okay, Fatima, read lake for me.
This lake contains fresh water. Lakes provide drinking water to many animals. Most plants need fresh water. Many kinds of fish, frogs, snails, and other animals live in and around fresh water.
Excellent, excellent. So the first thing we learned in our lesson that there are two types of water. What are they?
Ocean water.
Fresh water and
Salt water.
excellent, very good. And we know the examples of them. Now let's see what do we have here. State of water. How many states of water do you know? How many states of water do you know?
I know the ice one because I went to ice before.
Excellent, Lara Ghaith. So it can be ice. Water can be ice. Water can be what?
Ice.
Ice, only ice? You can see water like ice only?
Water
Vapor. Excellent, water vapor. And the water you drink, what is it? Is it ice? Vapor?
Vapor.
So, you drink vapor?
No.
What do you drink? Ice? Solid?
No, ice, I think.
You are drinking solid water. Remember the states of matter? How many states of matter? You have vapor, ice, and solid, gas, and
Liquid.
liquid. The water you drink, is it gas or solid or liquid?
Solid.
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 Okay, you are drinking solid, my guys.
Liquid.
Come on.
Liquid.
You are drinking liquid. Definitely you are drinking liquid. Have you ever seen a water in can you drink ice water?
No.
It will never crush or melt. It has to be melted, all of it, so you can drink it. It has to be liquid, so you can swallow it. Is that right?
What?
Okay, so states of water, you have 3 states of water. Water can be water vapor, liquid water, or ice. Remember when you see the water boiling in a kettle, what comes out of water?
So dirty. Liquid water is dirty.
Gas.
Gas, excellent. So we call it water vapor. When you add heat to water, a lot of heat to water, what comes out of water? Clouds? No. Gas. What do we call this gas? Water vapor. Okay? And in the normal situation of water, it's going to be liquid. It's going to be flowing all the way and moving. So it's going to be liquid water. But when you take away all the heat and the weather becomes very cold, water will turn into
Can we make water
solid,
vapor?
like ice. What, Lara?
Can we make water vapor?
Of course you can make water vapor. You can boil some water. Yes, you can boil water. When you boil water in a kettle, the liquid water will turn into gas.
Wait, can I just get a candle and then get water and then put it?
Candle? No. The heat of the candle, it's gonna take forever for the water to boil. You can use the kettle or ask your mom to take you to the kitchen and boil some so you can see water vapor. All right, girls, these are the 3 states of water. Let's take a look at nature. Where can you find water vapor in nature? Look at the picture.
I'm in the sky.
In the sky, up in the sky. Okay, from where water vapor came, do you think? From where?
From rain.
Rain? Water vapor comes from rain? Rain comes from water vapor, but no, water need to be heated. Now, which water is heated for the clouds to be formed? The water on the ground, on the lakes, on seas, when it's too hot, it is going to turn to water vapor and go up to the sky. Then liquid water you can find like ocean, rivers, lakes, streams. All these are liquid water. Finally, up
Ice.
on the mountain, when it's very, very, very cold, what can you see?
Snow.
Snow and ice. Water will turn to ice. Excellent, excellent. So the states of water, the main idea about state of water, taking away heat or giving heat. If you are giving heat, you're going to have water vapor. And if you are taking away, you're going to have ice. And in the normal situation, what are you going to have? Liquid. Excellent, liquid water. Now let's do this exercise, please. Open to page 293.
I open it.
Very good. So, question number 1. Where can you find water vapor in nature?
And the air.
Excellent. In the air or clouds. Very good. Excellent. Number 2, where can you find liquid water in nature?
Where can you find liquid water?
World is covered with liquid water.
Mist fills the ocean, lakes, and streams.
Excellent.
I love this lesson.
Miss,
It's really nice.
Yes.
half of the world is covered with like liquid water.
Excellent.
So easy to
Yaman.
find.
It's a
Excellent.
70% for
River.
ocean water.
Yes, but 70%
I
is,
know.
yes, it's ocean, but the 5 other percent we have lake, rivers, and what?
And ocean, waterfall.
Lake and 30% our Earth. OMG.
And ocean and sea.
How can I write ocean? Is it right, correct like this?
Let me see.
Ocean.
Yes, it's right.
Mm.
OCEAN. You write it right.
OCA. Right. This is right. Yeah. Right.
Very good. So I have lake, river, waterfalls, and ocean. Okay, where can
And
you
sea.
find solid water in nature? In nature.
Ice.
Ice what? Icebergs? And what? Only icebergs?
Oceans.
No, the ocean, does the ocean become ice?
No.
A glacier.
Excellent. Glacier and snow. Excellent. And they. Very good, girls. Excellent.
Miss, the North Pole doesn't have penguins. The South Pole has penguins.
Yes.
Why?
Then I'm too big. Miss, I saw a real penguin. I see a real.
Also me. I see sometimes a real penguin.
Do you know what I
And they
saw?
want to touch it, but I really be scared. Because in Egypt, my family was there also in Karabi.
Yes, when I went to London.
My cousin go with me to snow land. We throw each other with the snow. Just like
Miss,
me.
when I was little, in the zoo in London, then there was a lion who was sick. Then I just brushed his teeth because he was. But it doesn't bite. When I was
Okay,
like
girls,
4,
did you finish writing, my lovely?
No.
I finished. Yeah. I'm in the last. I'm in number 3, the last one.
Please, do you know what the penguin did to me?
What?
Bite.
When I go to Dubai, we go to the Iceland. Not the
Nice.
Iceland in Jeddah. Like,
Yes.
like it's like a world which is full of ice.
Also me, but not
We
in
go
the
to it in Dubai with my aunts, and my mom was sitting in the restaurant. She was sick. She can't go. And then I saw a penguin, and then he come and make me like this, like this.
Oh, cute. You must enjoy
Very,
it.
very, very funny.
But then when I go miss, I want to touch him. He is like running. I will not eat you.
Yeah,
I
penguins
just want to
always
touch you.
funny.
And he was walking like this, miss.
This last time when I went to the zoo,
And I
there
was
was a
He
lion.
was walking like this.
Then Bye bye and tummy came out. It's like coming out. Yeah. Then I cleaned it for him, and one yeah, for the lion.
Being nice to the animals is a very good thing. Very,
I
very good
love
thing.
lion. I love a lion. I love
Oh,
lion.
but lion is very wild. It is
Danger.
not safe. Yes, it is not safe to be near to lions unless you are with the coach himself. Okay, girls, did you finish writing or not? Everyone?
Okay, done. Yes.
Everyone finish writing?
Miss, I love spiders.
Everyone finish writing, my dear students?
Mrs. Spider Girl. Whew.
Okay. So clear all the drum. Before we end this session, tell me what are the two main ideas that we studied today? Two main ideas.
Can I tell
About
you?
the states of the water.
Excellent.
And
States
the
of
water
water.
forms and the water forms.
How water forms? No, types of water, you mean. So what are the types of water, ya Lara Ghaith? How many types of water we have?
Ice water,
No. Types. Two types of water. Type.
and lake.
No. Type, my
Solid
dear.
water.
Salt water and
Fresh.
fresh water. And how many states of water do we know?
Salt water and fresh water.
No, these are the types. What are the states of water? You can
Ice.
find water as a water vapor or a liquid or
It's liquid water.
or ice. Okay, girls, that's it for today. Thank you for participating. Enjoy the day today. Thank you.
Is this
Bye-bye,
real or
girls.